many sights to see.
Hello traders, Gary Wagner with WFGForex.com, your daily market update for Forex Gold. It is Sunday, April 18th, and this is the Forex Gold forecast. Traders, very quiet activity currently at 1135.43. It has been trading lower based on Friday's close. However, we've gotten a range that's really no more than a couple of dollars. But here's what I'm looking at. Until we open up in Asia, London, and New York, and that's going to be happening shortly. It's roughly 4:30 here, Hawaiian Standard Time. We're not going to get an indication whether or not, in fact, the market does want to trade lower or if it does find support. Based upon what I'm witnessing right now, which is very, very short term, in other words, just in this activity, we're not seeing any kind of potential to the upside. We are position neutral right now. As you know, we pulled profits at 1149, currently at 1135.58. My recommendation is to stay on the sidelines until we see some affirmative trading one way or the other. So I think the trick is going to be to take a look to see exactly where we do find support or if it wants to continue selling off further. I've put up our Fibonacci numbers, and as you can see, we have a critical Fibonacci level that we haven't quite reached, which is right in this area, roughly around the 1133 area, right in here. That corresponds, of course, to this particular high that we reached, and so we do have a cluster that is trading right around that area. We can see that back in here, and we can also see it after this gap right in here. But most importantly, in terms of the cluster, it's this one area right here that I'm looking at, and these highs right in here, almost right in this area. So we want to see if the market trades lower, if in fact it does find support in this area. If it does not, there's a couple of areas that it can go to, and we'll take a look at that later. But right now, until we see the market open in Asia, London, and New York on this Sunday, we're going to have quiet activity, and then we want to see if we're going to see some further selling in the market, or in fact if it does find support. Right now, what I'm looking at is the market until it trades to the 1133 area. We want to see if in fact it will find support, or if that support will become resistance because it breaks through. Traders, my recommendation is as follows. Maintain a sideline position. Look to re-enter from the long side after we A, test support, and B, get an appropriate candlestick signal that issues or indicates that it is proper to re-enter the market from the long side. This has been Gary Wagner with WFGForex.com, your daily market update for Forex Gold. Wishing you, as always, good trading. Bye-bye.